I'm gonna be at the Nick Jonas concert. You guys will keep me posted with the score in the chat. And I get, oh, that was cool. That thing just splashed right down. Dolores. About that. Yeah, no, it's a nice spot. No, it's free, but of course you got to pay by rides, or is it unlimited, or wristband? Out here. Yeah, it looks like the largest arcade. What a good vibes. That's so cool. Yeah, do it, Jerome. It's a good time. Oh, we can't go straight that way? I'll go right here and get the view. Hey, everybody. Wow. New Jersey. Thank you, Brandon. Rum Shack, yep. Thanks for the follows, everybody. Thanks for the taps. Yoda, welcome in. This is Ocean Resort. Can I go to that side? These guys, Yoda, thanks for the heart. We appreciate it. Spidey, thank you. It's windy. Yeah, the beach is nice today. At least it's busy up here. It's nice to see it's busy up here. How did I get here? Oh, I gotta go that way. I'll try. Katie, thanks for the heart, me, Katie. Around the 8 o'clock area, around the 8 p.m. area. Mimi, thanks for the heart, Mimi. Best breakfast, thank you so much. Jersey Pizza, yo, Flippin', thanks for the heart, me, appreciate that. So I'm gonna start walking back. Eventually I'll say, see you in a few, but not yet. Parker's got a good buffet. Yeah, I think we're gonna do the Brigada buffet. I'm not sure. I heard they're good too. It's beautiful here, guys. The ocean, we were just in there. Boardwalk Hall. They're doing they're gonna do a SmackDown and Raw in Atlantic City in 2 weeks. Yeah, I just did a tour of Showboat. I was surprised. My pleasure. Whoa-wee. That's Jimmy in the background. That's Jimmy making that noise. You hear Jimmy? That's him in the bathroom. Jimmy J, stop making that noise in the bathroom, bro. You heard the dinosaur noise? Oh, that's Jimmy when he's in the bathroom. Harvest Buffet. Where's the Harvest Buffet? Yeah, a lot of people did wrestling in Atlantic City. A lot of my friends used to throw shows here, like that extreme stuff. Oh, thank you, Jersey. I'll let you know. Coco? Coco. Who Coco? I thought you were talking about my cat. I was like, huh? Hotel lobby bathroom. That's a good idea. I'm going to use one soon. Very soon. Coney Island now. We're in Atlantic City. Oh, Coco Diaz. Gotcha. I'll let you know. Thank you. They're getting down in there. Wepa! Hell yeah. Look at Atlantic City. No, I know spot. I don't do that. Back in the day, I was bad at that, man. I couldn't. It's like I was one of those, man. When you go on the casino floor, man, you hear all the slot sounds. It just draws you in and makes you want to play, you know? I was like a big Wheel of Fortune fan on the slots. And the beach, yeah. I mean, we can't see the beach fully right now. Wait till I get a little bit away from the grass. Yeah, mesmerizing. Then they put oxygen in there to keep you awake all night. Yeah, that's where we're watching Nick Jonas tonight, the Hard Rock. What up? AC's cool. It's been over 30 years, but it's really cool. It's different. Nice, though. I'm having a good time. Thank you so much, guys. Again, tonight we're doing a live stream of the Nick Jonas concert. I would say about 8 p.m.-ish, 7:30 to 8 p.m. Be on the lookout. And please keep me posted on the Nick score because it's going to be driving me crazy. We got the concert tickets before we knew the final schedule, so. What's up, everybody? Your favorite machine is Wheel of Fortune? Yeah. I hit the Wheel of Fortune once when it spun. Welcome in. Nick and the Knicks. Hell yeah. Nick Jonas is a Knick fan too. You know he's going to be rushing to the TV right after too. If I get a chance tonight, if it ever gets quiet at the Jonas concert, I'm going to scream out, "Let's go Knicks," to see if Nick hears it. We're going to be in the pit next to the stage again. I don't know how the view is going to be, but we're going to be closer than last week, I heard. And we're going to be in the standing pit right in front of the stage. Hard Rock, yeah.
Just to keep on top of the game, keep on top of everything, and then just
Crab House. Yeah, we're gonna have fun tonight. Nick, yeah, Harry Jonas. Thank you so much. All right, it seems busier than earlier, guys. We walked down this way, it wasn't as busy. Seems like business is picking up. Thanks to the populars, everybody. Thanks to the Harmies. Don't forget to follow, because I'll be signing off soon. I'll be back at the concert tonight. What? Your good song. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Does sound like Taylor. Speaking of Taylor, Iman, I just heard that she sang the national anthem at the Liberty game. Good for her, man. Good for her. Not busy. No, I know it should be more busy, but earlier it was like nobody out. Now there's more people. Yeah, just past Hard Rock. I'm not meeting them there. I'm meeting them somewhere else. We're going to go eat and all that stuff. So I'll be signing off maybe about 5-10 minutes. Just a little bit. Atlantic City, New Jersey. Lost Cause. Yeah, I would be out there, of course. They hardly stream in the daytime in the summer in Vegas, right? I was out there in the boiling heat. I was like, no wonder why. Who was it? The other streamers like, oh.